Hi, and welcome to day one of 30 Days to Clutter-Free Living. The goal of this is really for you to be able to go through most of your house and declutter things in a really simple, easy way. So don't overthink it, just, only do exactly what each day advises you to do. And hopefully by the end of 30 days, you'll be feeling a lot lighter and a lot more in love with your space. So let's get started with day one. For day one, the goal is for you to just set your intentions for this challenge. So I encourage you to grab your favorite journal or a notepad and just start writing all the ways you want to feel about your house, all the things you love about it, the things you love having in it, maybe some things you don't love about it or no longer want to have in your space. Just write it all down and then try to come up with one mantra that you can repeat throughout the 30 days. And it might be something like, I want to be able to park my car in the garage, or I want to always feel like my home is ready if guests just popped over. So just get to journaling and come up with your why.